right, so you will need 2 onions chopped really small. You will need 2 jalapeno chopped really small as well. This is some cilantro. You can actually take this one off if you want. It is optional. I have some garlic and ginger, of course. And here I have, oops, this is upside down. Here I have some ground chicken. The reason why we're using ground chicken instead of ground beef is because beef is actually pretty heavy to the digestive system. We basically want to go easy with our stomach. So I have some ground chicken here. I have a mix of flour, so white flour with water, and that's going to be used to basically stick the sambusa together when we're folding our sambusa. And so instead of using the traditional sambusa dough, we're going to use some Phyllo pastry sheets. And the reason is because these ones are actually better, they're lighter, and they have less calorie. So if we check the label here, it only has 1 gram of sugar. The other one has like 16. And as of the carbohydrate, it has 13. And this is for 1 sheet. So 13, so per sambusa, it's about what? 2 or 3 grams? Because every sheet will be like 6 sambusa's, I believe. And the overall calorie is only 70. So this is really good alternative, and it's really good also if you're baking your sambusa. That's what we're gonna do today. We're putting our sambusas in the oven. We're not going to fry our sambusa, we're going to bake it in the oven. So this is what you need to have, guys. All right, guys, so I'm going to try to be efficient here. So on this one, I'm going to make the ground chicken, and here I'm going to make, basically prepare the onion and the jalapeno. So as all of you guys may know, maybe you don't, when you're making sambusa, it's really important to not add any oil because otherwise the pastry will just break on you. So that's why we're separating the two. This one will create a lot of water. So I'm adding this. So we're making this on this separately, basically. We're gonna wait for this to basically caramelize, and that's it for this one. I might add some salt and pepper. So while my ground chicken and my onions are basically cooking, I'm preparing my sheets. So I'll go 2 by 2 because these ones are pretty thin. So it's really easy. You just use your size, choose your size. I go by this thumb size, basically. That's my rule. And then let's say it's here. So you just need to cut it once, like so. And that's it. All right, so now we're gonna start folding our sambusa. One mistake that I did is I cut my my pastry like an hour ago. It's not good because it gets dry after a certain time, but it's okay. So everybody has their own way of folding their sambusa. This is how I do. It's like